everybody, and welcome to a Sundog video. In case you don't know what Sundog is, it's an online maths game, and I know what you're probably wondering while watching this. So you mean we're gonna watch Atomic Butter do maths calculations? Sort of. But you're just gonna be watching me stack up things. And this is my favourite game, and it's called Junk Pile, and oh no, actually, I quite like Disguising Cake Monster, and I'll be trying to upload as many Sundogs as I can. And how many? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25... Right, oh, and I forgot to mention, it's got funky music, which is quite cool. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20... And you guys are probably going to be cringing, thinking, oh my god, he's so bad at maths. And yeah, I'm not the best, so I'm probably going to be... I'm probably going to be getting a lot of these wrong. But saying that, I'm doing quite well today. I'm going to put the mattress here. No bad decision. Oh, that telly fits perfectly there. And I think I'm winning, which is odd for me. 1. 6 and 1 is 7. One and 6 is 7. That's 2. This is the weirdest commentary ever. It's just me shouting out random numbers. That is 1. And I'm going to throw that away because that will tip it. And my pile is starting to look extremely unstable. Now this there. This is 5. I'm going to throw that away. No! Oh, that was close. I'm just waiting for the results, and yes! I won! I actually won something! Look, this guy got 9 and I got 26. I thrashed him by like 19. Anyway, now I'm going to play Dress Down. And this is going to be quite funny for you guys, because if you've ever wanted to see Atomic Butter in a wedding dress, you're probably going to see it. Because you never know what you're going to get in this game. 6. Now I'm wearing an eye patch. How many units in 79? 7? 8 and 1. It's 9, and okay, I'm wearing a pink vest. Half of 8. 4. Oh, I'm a cyborg face. 7. 2 and 8 is 9. 5 with something. That's 5. And let's put it on this guy. That is 8. Not a clue. 16 is what? I'm gonna vote for him. He's got pretty cool clothes. Oh no, she's got pretty cool clothes. And I didn't win this time, but it was good fun, this game, and I came last, but it doesn't matter. Now I am going to play, Skies! I love this game. And this is probably going to end up with me wearing a spotty party hat and a purple afro. This is usually how this game ends up. It's not like most games. You certainly don't get that in Tanky Online. I'd quite like to see that, actually. They should add that. Oops. Guys put sunglasses on me. And smallest. A minute. What? How am I supposed to count that? That's ridiculous. You guys can't see the maths calculations, but that was just ridiculous. This is hard because I've got to keep an eye on these guys, because like at the end of it I've got to like find them all, and so I'm recording, I'm doing maths calculations and trying to scan these faces, which is pretty hard. Oh, these are just ridiculous. I don't know what any of the guys look like. I wasn't looking. That's me, I think. Was that a guy? No. That was a guy. Yes. Was that a guy? No. Oh, I failed this. I think I failed. Oh, it doesn't matter. I had fun doing it. I came joint. Was that? Yeah, joint second. But yeah, skip all this. And I'm currently a narwhal, which is quite a high rating for those of you who don't know. Well, it's all right rating, I suppose. And now I am going to play Cake Monster, and it involves me eating cakes. And oh, I'm up against someone from America. It's interesting. And in case you're wondering, this is not unrealistic. What? It's loading. Why is it loading? What is there to load? This isn't making a very good YouTube video, is it? Just staring at loading circle. Right. We're going to try this again. Let's join a game. Feed your monster until it explodes. It's waiting for other players to click on Cake Monster. Sorry guys, nothing I can do about this. And choose computer component. I'm going to choose this guy because he's completely unprofessional. Now, actually, I don't want to play a computer. This is kind of pointless. I'm gonna keep on doing this until I actually get a real person on here that doesn't say loading for 7 hours. And here we go. Got some Americans to play with, which is interesting. And I actually eat this amount of cake in real life. That would be... Oh, I know how to play. I know how to play 8. 1. And in case you guys don't know, I am the orange one. It's a square. That's a square. How many units in 69? And in case you hear me just speaking out loud, it's because there's some calculations to work out and I'm rubbish in my head. So 66 is 88. It's the hardest thing ever. I've got to commentate, I've got to do maths, and feed a monster its lunch. I don't know that. Should I just guess? It's that one. Oh, I got one right. And I'm not doing too well here. I only know pretty basic maths. I don't know that. It's this one, isn't it? Oh. That would be 800. Not a clue. And I'm starting to get quite fat now. Am I going to explode? Can you see this? Can you see how fat my cake man is now? Can you guys see this? Can you guys see how fat my character is? This is just ridiculous. Oh, right, I read that wrong. I might move it a bit like that, quickly. Right. I don't think you guys could actually see before. And, yeah. So it was slightly rubbish camera angle. And can you see how fat my character is? This is ridiculous. That's what I love about this game, watching your massive fat character. Oh, that was wrong. Oh, I've lost. I usually win this game, it's hard to commentate while doing this. And yeah, I'm gonna quit. And it's loading. And you guys should be able to see better now. What should I play? I'm just gonna tilt it like this a bit for the camera angle. Maybe a bit like that. Tell me how well you can see. And oh, that wasn't good. Here we go. Oh, can you see now? Yeah, that's good. I'm going to go on games, and I'm going to play a bit of I'm going to play a bit more Junk Pile, because I like this game. I absolutely love this game. It's my fave. I love this game. One. 10 and 9 is, that's 19, I think. Aha, this is looking neat. Well, neat for me, anyway. Oh, got that wrong. There's 4 cookie. It's actually going well. Usually my pile is really messy and scruffy, but today this is going quite well. It's 8. Oh, I keep getting these calculations wrong. Yeah, I'm pretty rubbish with maths. Oh, got that one wrong too. My commentary is going slightly silent because I'm trying to concentrate, and yeah, this is a very, very hard game. 1 and 2 is 3, I think. 4, 5, 6. Oh, look, it's a toilet. Can you guys see that? I've got a toilet on my pile. And can I put that there? That's gonna fall. Is so supposed to have fallen. How? Oh yeah, that came like perfect time. How did I do? I think I did okay this time. Yes! One again. Wait, I think that's yeah, that should be about all we've got time for. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye!